Are you ready to revolutionize your online events? Introducing Livestorm, the #1 platform that organizes and hosts engaging webinars seamlessly. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, or software, Livestorm has you covered. With its intuitive functionalities, you can run events effortlessly in just minutes. Imagine hosting a marketing event where engagement soars. Our customizable platform allows you to bring your unique brand and ideas to life. Livestorm improves efficiency with plug-and-play data transfer between your CRM and our tools. Your data is safe with us, secured on EU servers with ISO 27001 certification. What sets Livestorm apart are its diverse applications. From webinars to dynamic discussions, it serves your industry needs, ensuring maximum participation. Let's talk features. Livestorm offers registration pages, custom branding, email cadences, and full analytics. Event automation means you can spend less time organizing and more time engaging. Managing webinars has never been this simple. For instance, Richard Moss found our product demos had a 99% attendance rate. Users enjoy seamless participation with features like polls, chat options, and screen sharing. The browser-based platform means no software installations are required. In summary, Livestorm empowers you with tools to create stunning events every time. With over 5,000 customers, many report an ROI of 3 times within 3 years. So are you ready to enhance your webinars? Create a free account today and experience the difference in just 3 minutes. No credit card needed, no hassle. Start your journey to more engaging webinars with Livestorm now.